3 delicious simple syrups for healthier mocktails or cocktails to enjoy this season. Add 1/2 cup of each single ingredient into 3 separate 16-ounce jars. Pour boiling water into each jar up to the rim and loosely cover with lid to maintain oils that may be released through steam. After 24 hours, you are now ready to complete the next step of this recipe. Add 1 cup honey to 3 separate 16-ounce jars and place to the side. Strain each jar into a pot to reheat each individual liquid to almost a boil. Squeeze 1/2 cup of an acidic fruit for each jar. Set aside. Pour each heated liquid into jar with honey and stir until mixed well. Now add in the acidity of your choosing to finish off each jar and close tightly before shaking ingredients until blended together. Simple syrups are ready to serve. Enjoy over ice and club soda. Thanks for watching.